The Lopit people inhabit Lopit Hills in Torit district in South Sudan. They are Eastern Nilotics who practice rearing livestock and traditional agriculture on the mountain slopes and in the plains. I go to camp right in their village for a few days in a bid to learn more about their culture, to understand how their way of living is and learn more about them. So guys, I've just entered one of the homesteads. You can see how clean it is. I have some laundry outside. Stefan, you go.
No, it's too small.
You made it all this way not to enter.
It's okay, it's okay. So what does this fruit do?
Of course it's sweet. Now they knock like that, then of course because of then they will.
Do they first let it be dry, or that is how it actually?
No,
looks like?
that's how it is. It's get ripen and dries. So you see now she's removing and it gives the kids. So you eat that one and take water, you are satisfied.
Oh.
One alone like that. The one child takes it.
Can't you mix it and make juice?
Yes, you can make juice too.
So guys, this is one of the villages. This is actually a village. I'm just going through their homes to see their way of living, and so far I'm pleased with how their homes are set up. You know, when we say community, we don't necessarily mean you guys staying together, but clearly to these guys, that is exactly what it means. They are so close to each other. The Lopit are so proud of their culture, and this affects their attitudes and social life. Their culture is transmitted through songs, poems, dramas, and music. During the time I'd come here, they had just lost one of their elders, and they danced to their traditional burial songs at the village square from the day that I arrived to the day that I left.